At Expedex, we're packaging experts. Our expertise comes in many forms: package design services, production line automation, sustainable products and processes, custom services, and finally supply chain expertise. Bottom line is we package our expertise in a way that delivers results based on our customers' objectives.
Packaging has always been very important to our customers. It remains so today. The difference now is how they get there.
We are teams composed of packaging experts. We're not just designers or graphic designers or graphic artists or creative people. We are packaging designers and industry experts.
Expedex's typical customer today has many locations all over the map. Positioning design centers strategically throughout the United States is very critical to our ability to service our customers.
We'll design to any material or substrate that fits the design solution. We've now had to be able to roll up all those myriad components into one little entity and have the right type of staff and software and capabilities. We do it all.
Structural design today is really a primary platform to help our customers. Materials have changed, needs have changed, the way they handle those things have changed, and yet that design hasn't changed. We have the ability to be highly creative in terms of how all the pieces fit together and how we can even maximize the number of units that go on a truckload to their eventual customer, all affecting the cost base and the cost needs that are so important to our customers.
Design, both structural and graphic, is the originating point of opportunity for packaging success.
The first thing I do is write a design brief as the design manager. I've made that first call. That's probably going to include, at the very minimum, the audit process that we sort of went over. So we're going to do TOPS profiles, we're going to take in all that packaging and dissect it. We're going to give them back a look at themselves in the form of a compendium. This particular client, upon finishing that process, we saved that client in excess of $400,000.
It's important to get them to articulate what the challenges of their business are, what their goals of their business are, where they want to go with their business, and then ultimately how we can help them get there.
They want us to ship more on a pallet, Kevin. They want to take and put more recycled content in there. We also need to ship to Europe. How do we orchestrate this great packaging symphony between us and you and fulfillment and kitting and logistics and the retailers themselves and all of their wants and wishes, and actually making it all happen at a supplier as well in a timely fashion to get everything back on the dock and ready to go when it needs to be. Reduce costs, reduce materials, be more sustainable, be more recyclable. The pressure is on.
Having the right design can save an awful lot of money for our customers, and additionally can really add to their contribution to sustainability.
By thinking about sustainability at the core of what we're doing as a design team, we're also aiming at a part of our bigger value proposition, which is to reduce cost. Something as simple as moving from C-flute to B-flute and not giving up any structural integrity from top to bottom. Something that simple can have an immense impact.
We're emerging as a powerhouse around design and helping our customers' business grow effectively and profitably.
At Expedex, we have packaged the expertise itself. It's about packaging expertise, having it and delivering it nationwide every day.